Hey everybody, Lewis here. Rshackbbq and other things. Guy's out here playing with his awesome remote control truck. That's pretty cool. Anyhow, this week I did a teriyaki chicken burger cook on my Weber kettle. So what I did is I marinated the chicken for 4 hours in Kokiman's teriyaki marinade, and then I cooked them indirectly on the Weber kettle, and they turned out awesome. I can't wait to share this video with you. I hope it makes you hungry. So let's get into this cook. That's so much fun. I might have to get me one of those. I think it's fast.
Regulators, mount up.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
this teriyaki chicken burger that I made. And tonight we're going to enjoy that with a Schaffenheiner Hefeweizen grapefruit Breyer. Breyer. Beer. It says Bayer on it, but beer. Cheers, everybody. I really do like these. Anyway, let's try to get this bite in. Where can we get it? Let's try over here. Oh yeah, that is good. Love the teriyaki flavor on that. That pineapple, grilled pineapple. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, definitely need to try this. Put it on the indirect cook for about an hour actually, and the last 20 minutes I was going out and saucing it with more of the Kokiman's marinade, and then I put the pineapple on about the last 10 minutes and just kind of flip them over, and everything is awesome. I'm just sorry, gotta take another bite. You're gonna watch. Anyhow, you can do this too. And like I always say, hope you enjoyed the video and grill on. That was really good.